Hi, my name is Sander Huizinga, and in this video I will show you how to create an implementation or generate an implementation of a service. First of all, you should have opened the tutorial sample in Enterprise Architect. Then you can go to the energy domain, go to Services, and then select Publish Connection Measurement. Well, this is the same service we were working on during this tutorial. So you now can right clicking on it, go to the add-in, LUXE-Tooling, and then select the Generate Web Service option. This window will pop up, and as you can see, it's almost identical to the generation of an implementation of a message. So I will not explain them more in detail. The assembly area, the versioning, and the namespace I will skip now. The only thing that has been added is the service address, which is the location at which the service is can be reached by a requester. Most of the time you will design services that will be used by a lot of different parties. If this is the case, then you shouldn't enter the location because every party has its own location. So then it's more something for the implementation phase to add it to a service. If you only create a service for a particular party, then you can enter the location. Another tab I will skip is the extension tab, which contains some extra options and technical advanced abilities like security and the change of the transport mechanisms that are maybe required to for some areas of implementations. I won't go into detail with this one. The basic setup is always the default setup, and most of the time this is enough to generate a good whistle for a particular implementation. The only thing you need to do is to select the open location right now, go to the services and selecting OK, and now you can generate the whistle. Well, the whistle generation is completed. Now you can select OK, and I will go now to the location of this whistle, and here you will find the whistle in a package. And this package is self-contained, which means that you can simply zip this package, email it to someone who will implement it, and that's fine. It does not have any kind of relationships with other packages. The relations are all managed at the model level, and when you generate the implementation, they are all placed in a separate package for this particular service. Well, if you double click on it, you will find here the whistle which is generated, and of course the two messages that were created for this service. Well, this is it. This is how you generate a service. So I will now go back to the Enterprise Architect, and well, this is how you implement a service. It's nothing a real big hassle or something. This is the end of the tutorial. The only thing is of this tutorial that's been left out is there are some options that I didn't explain, or there are some wizards or menus we didn't cover during this tutorial. You can explore them first of all by yourself by right clicking on a package, selecting add-in, LUXE-Tooling, and you will find some options that we didn't discuss. For example, the batch generate web service, which is identical to what I presented during this tutorial, only it will help you generate a whole bunch of web services at the same time, the same as, for example, the schemas. You should explore a bit with the tooling, and for some of the options that require a bit more explanation, I will create separate videos for them. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and maybe I see you again in another video. Bye bye.